I have the best thing for you is this robot vacuum. Absolutely love this thing. So we are a busy family. We have 3 kids, we have 2 dogs, and we have a cat. And you really should be vacuuming your house every single day. And I just didn't got time for that. And so this is absolutely amazing because it's gonna be able to do all the different work. There's gonna be an app to it. And also, you guys, guess what? There's even a mop, right? So you can add water to it right here. All right, so you just kind of like squeeze right there. You're gonna be able to add water. Water tank removed, it even talks to you. You're gonna be able to add water to it. All right, and then it also even has this right here where you're gonna be able to empty out like all the dirt. It even has a filter right in here. And you just kind of open that up just like that to be able to clean that out. And it even comes with a spare one also. Let's go ahead and get that back in the right spot. There we go. Close that up. And then right here is where you're gonna be able to add like your water and everything right in there for the mop. But you're gonna be able to set so many different things on here. And the other thing that I really like with this is it even has a spot over here that it's gonna have a cleaning system. So it's gonna be able to dump it all out into this. It even comes with extra ones. So this is gonna be able to fill up with all of the dirt and like all the gunk. So that way you don't even have to worry about like emptying it out each time. It's gonna go right into there. So let's go ahead and show you guys a little bit more. When you first get it set up, you're gonna go ahead and really set the map so that way it kind of gets an idea of everything and like where everything is. It's gonna have a 360 navigation, and then the S8MAX scans your home to create the accurate real-time map. And so you can see here that it's gonna be able to avoid things as well.